What are they doing? What are you guys doing? Tutu. Hi, honeybees. Good afternoon to you all. Good morning, good evening, good night, depending on where you are watching my videos from, or depending on the time you are watching my videos from. So, over here is afternoon. So, good afternoon to you all. For my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. Welcome back to my channel. Please keep on watching. And if today is the first time that you are watching my video or seeing my video, please welcome to my channel. I'm Clara's mom. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and comment. Thank you. Guys, as you can tell, we are outside. I am sitting down outside. Can you see me well? I hope you guys can see that I am outside. I'm here with somebody. She wants to say hi to you guys.
Hi viewers, good afternoon all. Longest time. I am still alive. My name is Comfort. I am happy to see you all, even though you cannot see me now, but I know you will see me. When you are watching the video, you will see me. Oh, take care. Have a wonderful life.
Okay, guys. That's my sister. Actually, I am outside now. I decided to come outside today. We want to do some laundry. We want to do African way of laundering. We want to wash. Guys, those are my clothes. Can you see my clothes and the basin that I'm going to use to wash? Alright then. Guys, let's go and wash clothes. You know I cannot do anything without you guys. I have to take you guys along with me. So let's go and wash clothes together. And before then, see what I have harvested. Guys, can you see? This is what I just harvested from the kitchen farm. Is it kitchen farm? Kitchen garden. I just harvested that right now from the kitchen garden. Well, what's that? Is that chicken? Are you telling chicken bye-bye? Oh, one is telling chicken bye-bye. Eh, is the chicken there? Okay. Huh? What's wrong with you? Why are you sick? Are you supposed to be sick? Come and say hi. Say hi. Guys.
Hi everybody.
My niece is in the house.
Hi.
And my nephew is in the house. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Upadi.
Okay. You, what's your name?
My name is Esther.
Esther.
Yes.
Wow. Eh? Who is this? Is that Esther? Is that Esther? Okay, that's good.
Say bye-bye. Bye.
Oh, wow. Okay. No problem. If you are... Leave the chicken for me. Don't kill them for me.
Let's go.
Eh? What is he saying? Video. Okay, guys, no problem. Let me not waste you guys' time. Let's go and wash our clothes together. Let's go. Ibakas ko ba kwa ibon?
Yes. After ya de jiri gwor no we kuto awi kuto ijakote ya fefele. Take me with the
Seriously? I've not been to that one anyway. My baby's hair is fine. Guys, my baby is making her hair. She is so beautiful. Mama, say hi to my viewers. Say hi. Okay. And that's her hairdresser. Is it hair? Yeah. Okay, continue making your hair. Let me go and wash clothes. I'll see you guys later. Okay?
Bye.
Oh, so guys, we are here. This is my basin and my clothes. These are the clothes that I'm going to wash now. So right now, we want to wash clothes. Let me show you how we normally wash clothes in African countries. We have our way of washing clothes. We don't use hand dryer. Sometimes we use washing machine. Sometimes we use our hands. So today I'm going to use African way to wash my clothes. So stay tuned. But please guys, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Go and fetch water and come. Bring water. Guys, my sister wants to fetch water and come and pour here. This is my basin and my clothes, the clothes that I'm going to wash. Esther, come and push this clothes for me. Push the clothes closer. Keep it here. All right. That one is hypo. Okay. First of all, pour the water into the basin. All right. Take the bucket. I think you are going to fetch again. Go with this one. I think this one is enough. Keep that one. And bring out the detergents. Then pour more, yeah. Don't pour it too much. Pour. That's okay. Since the clothes are not much. Shake it. Shake it. Let it bring out the foam. Very good. Put the clothes, but don't put kerchiefs. So yeah, this hard working, and you did not tell me. You did not let me know that you can work well. You are hard working. Soak it well. Let the water touch it well. That one is dry. Push it inside water. So right now, you are going to soak the kerchief as well. Pour out this water into that pail. Pour again. Pour out. That's okay. It's like it's plenty. Okay, that's okay. Put detergent. I know that we're supposed to measure it. It's okay, it's okay. Shake the water, let the foam come out. Then we are going to add hypo into that water. See hypo there. Pour all. Don't allow it to enter your mouth though. Right, add your back. Some people call it bleach. Some people call the hypo bleach because it removes stains from the clothes. That's why some people call it bleach. Okay, now you bring the kerchiefs. It's so sunny today. Open it, or are you folding? Are you supposed to fold it and soak? And add on everything if you know that. Sure, you've been watching YouTube.
No, I'm not looking.
At working. Esther, what class are you now?
I'm going to
JS2. How old are you now?
I'm 11, 12 years old.
You're 12 years. Okay. Good. What are you guys doing there? What are you guys doing there? Who put you guys there? You're supposed to sleep. If you're... Why are you not sleeping? Okay. You're so hardworking. Don't wash them now. Just soak it and keep. It's this one that we are going to wash now.
No.
The record. Oh, shake. I'm not ready. Come in. Shake it. Guys, this is the soap that I'm using to wash these clothes. Baby and me. It smells nice. So, let's wash clothes together.
Gonna me show the clothes. Cuma nago fago koro photos mo.
Welcome.
Esta stand up and carry this book.
Guys, this is how we normally wash our clothes over here in our village. This is our style of washing clothes. Our ways of washing clothes. No washing machine. Our hand is washing machine. This is our natural washing machine. This is natural. Oh, natural washing machine. We wash it and our clothes will be so clean and fresh.
Wow.
What's my pan?
Oh, Jennifer. Your hair is so fine.
Thank you.
Your hair is so fine. Your hair is so fine. Your hair is so fine.
Thank you.
Okay, that's good.
Esther, you got your head.
Wala lang.
Oh, guys. Guys, our hands here. Show them your hand. Our hands here are our natural washing machine. We have washing machine, but I don't need it. I don't need it. I just decided to use natural washing machine. Sure, you have natural washing machine. See our natural washing machine too. You can see we are not lazy. So that is why. Oh.
Emma, bring that plantain.
Oh, Benulia. Divine, sang me.
Okay. Divine, come now. Come and say something now. Divine. Oga, good afternoon. Welcome. Oga, welcome. How are you? Good morning. Okay. She carry.
Guys, this is my brother. This is my brother. He cannot talk. He cannot hear. He cannot talk. But he just came with coconuts and plantain. This guy is so kind. He likes giving. So I'm grateful for that. Thank you. Thank you.
Stop.
Again, because of the solar. Are you guys playing with my hair nets? Are you guys supposed to play with my hair nets?
No.
That is the only hair net that I have for now.
It's not your own, it's my own.
Clara, it's not your hair net.
It's my, you buy it for me.
No, it's for me and you. I bought it with my money now. So can't I share something with you? Eh?
No.
Nope, no. No.
Go and buy your own.
Okay. Bakin him. Bakin him. Collect it. Go and keep it. Go and pack.
Come. You be come.
Come. Oh my God, they nearly scratched their grandfather's car. Please, so guys, don't do it. Don't scratch your grandfather's car. The car is too fine. The car is too fine, please. Don't wash. You cannot wash. Esther, you can start washing. Wash the kitchen.
No, I can wash something.
First thing, that's one thing about
Mommy,
bleach.
you give me this ketchup.
It's good. I'll give you one. Scrub the clothes well. Esther, scrub the kitchen well, so that those things will go out. Guys, we finished washing. We finished washing the first and the second one. So right now, we want to rinse our clothes now, so that we can go inside. We want to rinse it now. We finished washing the main clothes. Right now, we want to rinse it and go and dry. So pour it inside. Alright, the water is so clean and fresh. Is that the kerchiefs?
Yes.
Is that all?
Yes.
Okay, rinse it well. Don't allow.
Yes.
No. Go. Don't help us. Why do you want to help us? We don't need any helper. We don't need anybody to help us. We can wash. He's going to fight you. Yeah, I remember. Oh, let me see if he can rinse. See. See what this small boy is doing. Is that how they used to rinse clothes? Eh? Oh.
No. Yeah, to put it
Is that how?
Come and stand me.
That is not how they rinse clothes. Rinse it well. Oh, this boy is so hardworking. God bless you. You are a darling. You are so hardworking. Yeah, it's my sister's baby. He's so hardworking. Can you see? He can wash and rinse clothes. Yeah, this boy is so hardworking. God bless you. He's so hardworking. See how this boy is rinsing clothes for me. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you and God bless you. That one is bigger than you. He can leave him, just leave him. Let him do his work. Oh my God, where did you see this one? Come, it's okay. Are you already done? Yes, and you're good, yeah. Either young dong. Are you young dong? This is the first water. We are still going to rinse it the second time. Yes, you can see that there is foam here. The water is foaming. So you cannot just go and dry it like this. It means that soap is still in the clothes. So after this water, we are going to rinse the second time before the water will be clean. Idio. Take this one. Go and dry this one. Count it. When you are drying it, you count. So that breeze will not carry them, take them away. I will beat Gabion Adam. Abion. Adam. Idia ready? Yeah, I didn't know. Idia.
Live.
Send him, Diana Kim. It's on. Okay, alright. How many is that?
Now you count the hands of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
14. Okay. Guys, we are done with the clothes.
What about?
No. Don't do that. Don't play with the water. Remove your hand. Guys, we are almost done here. We are almost done. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay. Thank you. These children can play. They can play. Yes, I finished washing clothes. Right now, as you can see, I'm at the backyard. We want to eat coconut, so let's eat together.
Okay.
Who wants to eat?
Me.
Oh,
Me.
wait now. Shift. Bring another one. And then pour one more. Bring their cups. Let me pour the water. The second one. No. Guys, can you see how fresh it is? Don't shift. Where are you going to? In new person. It's so fresh. Rất có con ban quả cái bò tối qua bao con nào.
Di mana ada beda? Ini beda. Dari ini sih kalau ya because I'm getting ready to say use okoro.
Kamana. You try.
Okay.
So que ya de buti tío.
Na ta gode da internet say compliment.
I know. Look at you are not serious. And then you are going to have a shadow.
Only that.
Share it today.
Here, come.
Hey, this is. I think today and down. Let me remove this thing. It's on. It's your.
Yes.
Abang sir.
Ame kuna você se fez this don't.
Abang ko bang kam.
Don't you get better.
Guys, this is so fresh and sweet. Come, I will give you now. Wait.
Okay, sorry.
It's so fresh.
Your honey.
Lara, give it to.
Take off.
Well, guys, I'm going to end my video here. Thanks so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please keep on watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, and I love you guys. Bye. And